y'all, so welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to be doing a fun review on the new Norvina ABH Mini Pro Pigment Palette Volume 3 palette. This just got released this past week and I ordered it and it got here yesterday, so I'm excited to film a review on it today. And don't forget, before we get into the video, to hit the thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell. You gotta hit that bell. Otherwise, you'll miss my uploads, and I am uploading every single Monday and Friday, 8 a.m. And yeah, without further ado, let's get into the video, guys. Alright, so first I think I want to go ahead and swatch these shades for you. Here's what the palette looks like up close. It is so beautiful. When I saw this released online on Trend Mood, I was like, oh my gosh, this like screams summertime to me, and I'm so looking forward to warmer weather here. But I am going to go ahead and swatch these. They are not named or anything, so we'll just do like the first row, which the first row has a pressed glitter in it, and I was severely intrigued, and it did swatch really good. I'm kind of shocked that the pressed glitter swatched so good. That's the first row. Okay, so here is from top to bottom. The first three here shades are the first row. The next three are the second row. And then these bottom three are the third row. They all swatched really good. I am super impressed. I do own the Norvina Pro Pigment Volume, the other, like the mini one. I don't own any of the big ones yet, even though hopefully I will someday. But the big ones look really pretty, but the little ones are very cute, and I love this packaging. It's got like the cherries on the front, and I think it's really gonna be good. So I am going to go ahead and create a look for you guys today using this palette. So I think I'm going to play around with a lot of the pinks and the reds in this not real quick, but like that's what I'm going to use to create my look. And then I really do want to use the pressed glitter in the middle, because pressed glitters are my jam. So I think I'm going to dive into this lighter pink shade here on the side. And I'm just going to kind of work that into my my crease. Okay, so I just got that blended into the crease and kind of higher up on my eyelid. That's kind of how I do my crease colors. And then I'm going to go into the kind of orangey red shade below that pink shade. And I'm just going to place that in my outer corner and my inner corner. So here's what the eyes look like so far. I just placed the shadow on the outer corner and the inner corner. And now I'm going to go into the pressed glitter shade, and I'm just going to put that in the middle, and we're doing kind of like a halo eye today. Alright guys, so this is the final look. I think it turned out really good. I love these pink shadows in here. I loved working with these colors, and the pressed glitter was really good. I think it transferred good onto my eyelids. I love the pink. I love pink looks, and I do look forward to playing around with these blues and greens over here and these deeper red shades. But I overall think this palette is totally worth. I think it was $29, I believe is what it retails online, and it is for sure worth the $29. I think it's a pretty good price. But I did end up, I had a $5 reward for using my Sephora credit card, so I ended up getting mine for like $25, $24. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please let me know if you would like to see another look with this Norvina palette, or if you have any other video suggestions. I would love them. Since I'm filming twice a week, I am trying to figure out some more content for you guys. And don't forget that you are absolutely stunning. Bye y'all, thanks for watching. So check out my Instagram pages at Colorful Gidget or my new brand at Spunky Scrunchies. And don't forget, if you haven't subscribed, click the circular icon in the middle. Or if you haven't seen my most recent or another favorite of mine, click the one on the top right or the bottom right.